Welcome to Hindustan Times Digital, and today we are going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy M11. This phone comes with a 6.4-inch HD Plus display. You have triple rear cameras and octa-core processor. So let's get started. So let's get started with the unboxing of this phone now. As you can see, this phone comes with a punch hole design which carries the front camera, which is something new in the market right now, and I think it's something which is really catching up and people are liking it because what it does is it gives you a larger screen real estate and lets you watch videos in a much more enhanced manner. Apart from that, the power button and the volume rocker both are on the same side, which makes it easier for you to maneuver around and navigate across different things that you want to do with the device. The SIM slot and the micro SD slot which is there on the phone is on the left hand side. The headphone jack and all is there at the bottom, as is the case these days. And apart from that, this phone has a lot of stuff. We've got the black variant of the phone, as you can see over here, and it's quite a nice meaty device. It has a nice large battery which we'll talk about later. And then we have this case over here which has the warranty card, and then you have the quick start guide, which basically tells you the details when you start up with the phone in terms of how you set it up, what kind of Gmail login that you need to put in, what features you need to download or install, and so on and so forth. So basically it gives you a good background of what this device is all about and what it does. And then you have the usuals, the USB adapter that you have over here. This also comes from Samsung. It says it supports adaptive fast charging, which means you get 15-watt fast charging support. And more importantly, this phone comes with a USB Type-C cable, which means you get fast charging support. The data transfer is faster as well, and it's a pretty good technology to have, especially in the budget mid-range segment, which is something that you won't get with a lot of devices. And yes, you have the SIM ejector pin as well, because without this you cannot open the SIM slot wherein the SIM goes in, as well as the micro USB card. So this is the whole package of the Samsung Galaxy M11. You are not only getting a USB Type-C cable, you're also getting a charger which supports 15-watt charging speed, and for a large battery that this phone has, I think it's very, very important. Apart from that, it has a large screen tall profile with a punch hole design which houses the front camera. So this is the Samsung Galaxy M11. For more videos, check out Hindustan Times Digital.